Hi, for this Digni break, I'm going to share with you something from dynamic embodiment, my work with the body. I'd like you to take a moment to just see how you do feel and how your body's feeling. And then, because of so much screen time, let's palm, which is, first of all, getting heat in your hands, and that healing energy will go over your eyes, right over your glasses if you like, or you can take them off. And then I'd like you to keep your eyes closed, move your hands away, and just flutter your eyes open and watch me for a second as I breathe out with doing this. And now you can join me, just letting your body and your spine hang over a bit. And then as you breathe in, float in, let the backs of your lungs be balloons inside your body. You can move your hands away, stretch your arms up. You can even stretch any part of your body back. So what we're doing is we're curling up. You can put your elbows on your knees and just rest and breathe more deeply now. We're going to stay here a little longer. Take your inhale into your full torso, through your chest, into your belly and lower back, through your nose and esophagus. It's really your trachea, but down through your whole internal body, through the windpipe. And exhale, you can even hiss. And feel your brain really rest into your head and hands. Let your brain rest into your skull and your hands. And then press down into your sit bones and feel the breath lifting you up again. Your elbows come off your knees, your hands move away. And just feel that from your belly, you can stretch, 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 stretch. Maybe circle your hands. And just get taller as you sit. Okay, thank you. I hope you found that relaxing for calming the brain and the spinal cord and bringing the breath into every part of the body. It's important to relax your feet as well, especially as you stand up, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.